Welcome to Fits and Starts, a new series about finding unique vehicles that fit our criteria for being interesting and cool, and then attempting to start them and make them run properly and safely with a few surprises in between. Hi, I'm Tom, and over the years I've repaired, revived, and restored over 50 vehicles, including trucks, cars, and motorcycles. I've gotten pretty good at seeing what a neglected vehicle needs and how to fix it. I buy non-running vehicles and bring them back to life, which saves me lots of money, uses my time, knowledge, and tools that I've gained over the years. Recently I found a truck that I haven't seen on the market for over 8 years. It's a pretty rare truck and it fits the criteria for uniqueness, coolness, and functionality. Of course it doesn't run, but the auction company that I bought it from had 90 pictures of it online, and from those pictures I was able to form an opinion as to why it's not running and why the military decided to sell the truck instead of fix it. I bought the truck recently and now I have to go inspect it and see if I can get it to start, run, and drive. I really don't know if it's going to run. I could be wrong. But then again, I might not be. I'll take you with me and you'll get to see the step-by-step process as we revive this truck, with lots of stuff in between. I forgot to tell you, the truck's located on the remote island of Guam, 5,800 miles away over the Pacific Ocean. It's like a 12, 13-hour plane ride. And then we got to get it back on a ship, which will cost a little bit of moolah, so who knows? You got to do what you got to do, you know? I haven't been on Guam since I was 19 years old as a loadmaster in the U.S. Air Force on cargo planes, so it'll be interesting to see how Guam has changed. I know this truck on Guam fits my criteria for a real cool vehicle. Let's go see if it starts. This series will take us to many interesting locations around the world with many unique vehicles and experiences that military veterans have seen during their careers. Each new series will feature a veteran and their vehicle experience during their deployment worldwide. They don't necessarily limit themselves to military vehicles. We see lots of things beyond our military lives when we live in foreign countries. Veterans, we'd like to hear your unique stories about vehicles you've encountered in your service, during deployment, at home, whenever. And they can be about wheeled vehicles, boats, planes, skateboards, bicycles, whatever's unique and interesting. Just tell us you have a story in the comments below. We'll contact you, and if your story is selected, you get to go with us wherever that story takes us around the world. Make another episode. Also, please subscribe and help us climb up the food chain, and we really appreciate you watching Fits and Starts.